Your fence is the first line of defense for your property. But is it doing enough to keep your home safe? Let's dive into the top 5 fence features for extra security and how they can make a difference. Number 1. Height. A taller fence is your first deterrent against intruders. Studies show that fences over 6 feet high significantly reduce unauthorized entry. To maximize security, ensure there are no footholds or gaps that could make climbing easier. Number 2. Anti-climb designs. Features such as pointed tops, angled panels, or even rolling bars at the top can discourage attempts to climb over. These designs are particularly effective for properties in high-risk areas. Number 3. Integrated technology. Adding tools like motion sensors, security cameras, or alarms can transform your fence into an active security system. Motion sensors can trigger lights or alarms, while cameras provide real-time monitoring and evidence if needed. Number 4. Solid construction. A fence made of durable materials such as metal or composite wood not only stands up to wear and tear, but also eliminates gaps that intruders could exploit. Solid fences also improve privacy, keeping your property shielded from prying eyes. And finally, number 5. Lighting. Well-placed, motion-activated lights along your fence can expose intruders and deter them before they get any closer. Lighting also enhances visibility for security cameras, ensuring nothing goes unnoticed. By incorporating these features, you can turn your fence into more than just a boundary. It becomes a comprehensive security solution. Which of these features will you prioritize for your property? Share your thoughts in the comments. Should you require professional help, you can contact us on this number or on our website. See you next time.